Hi learners, in this video we are going to talk about quantum teleportation process and quantum entangler momentum. To know this concept very clearly, you should know about teleportation process. I have done the video. Please watch the video. The link is in the description box.
We know that teleportation is a process transferring of an object from one place to another place. By using technology, teleportation is possible or not? Yes, it is possible only through quantum teleportation process. It is done by our scientists successfully by transferring protons from one place to another place. What is quantum teleportation process? We take any object. It is made up of crores and lakhs of atoms. From atoms, elements are from elements, molecules are from molecules, object is from. Let you tell a example. We take 2 points A and B. We have to keep a object at A. We have to teleport it from A to B. We are transferring a box from A to B. The box should be dematerialized first. It is the first process to do teleportation process. We know that in box it contains the number of atoms. In it, we have to separate the atoms by using dematerialization process. With the help of molecular scanner image, it collects all the data of the box and the atom. The data helps us the atom is in which place, in which position the atom it is, in which energy state it is, in which direction it is moving, how many atoms are located beside it. It collects all the data regarding the box. One single atom storage with 1 KB data. By using dematerialization process, we have to separate all the atoms. After some times, at point A, the box will be invisible to us. All the atoms and details are stored in the data. The data should be sent to the point B, where we are going to teleport it. There will be a chamber. It will collect all the data. It arranges all the atoms properly by using the data. By using quantum teleportation process, we can only do single atomic particles such as cesium, radium. In future, our scientists are developing to teleportate double atomic particles such as water, carbon, gas, elements. I think you have understand about quantum teleportation process. But another question raised from the first topic. How can a human can transfer from one place to another place in just seconds, which we are seen in the first video. Glitched parallel was transferred from one place to another place in just seconds. It traveled up to 14,200 kilometers in just seconds. In human, it contains 7 into 10 to the power 27 atoms. We human contain nerves, bones, blood vessels, DNA, organs, hormones, genetic information and small microparticles. This data is so big that it can't be stored by our supercomputers or the big storage technology used by us to store the large data of our internet. It is 1000 trillion GB required to store one single human data. It is difficult to transfer from one place to another place. Why? Because it is so much big data that with our technology we can only send 32 data in 1 second. With this speed, it takes 1 lakh years to transfer the data. Now our scientists using another method. It is called as quantum entangler momentum. We can transfer the data faster than the light. I will tell you. This experiment tells that if any two similar atoms, when they interact with each other, they form a medium. When we change the atom property of a point A, automatically point B will be changed as similar as A. I will tell you an example. One part is kept in the head, the other part is kept in the mass. The information is transferred from one place to another place faster than the light. By using this technique of similar atoms, we can transfer the data from one place to another place in very short seconds for the large data we require to transfer. According to Einstein theory, in our universe, the speed of light is faster than any one of them. When Einstein was doing research in these similar atomic particles, why the information is transferred from one part to another part very faster than the light. He could not also tell their behavior and explain it. That's why He called it as smoke relation at a distance. By using quantum entangler momentum, we can do teleportation process. We can transfer the large data from one place to another place within a seconds. But our question is that how can a human can transfer from one place to another place in just seconds? We transfer the human. We humans are biotics. We have life. Our soul or our atma also transfer from one place to another place. What about our memories and IQ? When we transfer from one place to another place, we are born new or we will die and born or else we will die. It is done for objects, atoms, elements, molecules. They are abiotic. They did not have lives. They are physical. This science is not even told by our scientists, but it is described in our Vedas and scriptures. Thank you for watching my video.